Hello, everyone! Ready to unlock the secrets of how freelance marketers turn ideas into incredible profits? It's more than simple ads. It's a bold array of modern strategies that fuel success, and we're here with fun money facts for kids, teens, and adults. Welcome to Profit Unveiled, your canvas for business brilliance. Let's explore how freelance marketers sell success with creativity, technology, and vision. Imagine a small business owner needing a sales lift. A freelancer steps in, crafting social posts for $50 each. That's right, $50. With a laptop, free online tools, and self-taught skills, they launch fast and keep earnings flowing. That's the first stroke. Quick campaigns that build a steady income. Picture Lisa, a baker with slow weekdays. Her marketer crafts 5 posts for $50 each, totaling $250 in 2 hours. Lisa's tables fill up, the marketer's paid, and new clients call. That $50 per post, often $40 to $75 based on scope or expertise, lets anyone with a knack for words start earning. Anyone can jump in by learning from free platforms like YouTube or blogs, turning creativity into cash without a big investment. Freelancers craft $50 posts and spark big cash fast. That quick win colors profits bright. Now, they offer subscription tiers for $300 monthly. Using AI to automate posts costs $30 in tools, leaving $270 profit. It's a vibrant model that scales reach and revenue. Consider Mark, a gym owner needing steady clients. His marketer sets up a $300 tier with AI-drafted posts and analytics, spending 90 minutes monthly for $30 in effort and tech. That's $270 profit, and Mark's membership doubles. That $300 fee fits premium marketing subscriptions, letting AI handle routine tasks while the marketer crafts winning strategies. Here's a powerful twist. Micro-influencer networks. They charge $150 to connect clients with niche voices, netting $130 profit after $20 in outreach time. Sarah, a boutique owner, pays $150 for 10 micro-influencers. The marketer links them in an hour, earning $130 as Sarah's sales soar. Sarah's posts hit thousands, and that $150 taps a trending tactic, amplifying reach with precision. Ready for an advanced move? Predictive campaigns fetch $500 each. AI analytics cost $50, leaving $450 profit. It's a sharp edge that forecasts wins. Dan, a coach, pays $500 for a targeted push. The marketer uses AI to predict trends in 90 minutes, earning $450 as Dan's bookings spike. Dan's campaign doubles his clients, and that $500 reflects high-value data-driven work. Freelancers cut $500 predictive campaigns and light up profits fast. That smart spark boosts cash quick. How about virtual masterminds? $100 per seat fills an online group, netting $90 profit per hour. 5 clients pay $100 each for a strategy session. That's $500 in an hour, growing skills and leads. Picture Emma, a shop owner, joining a mastermind. The marketer hosts a 1-hour call for 5 attendees, spending $10 on setup, and earns $490 while sparking new gigs. Freelance marketers don't just promote, they cash in big. Start yours with quick campaigns, subscription tiers, micro networks, predictive campaigns, and masterminds. With free tools and self-learning, your creativity can paint profits. Love these facts? Subscribe. We're sharing profit tips weekly, so stay inspired.